Indoraptor shelf is gone. T-Rex are gone. What's going on? Oh, what are you guys doing here? For a moment, I've thought that you guys have left home. Yeah, naughty guys, naughty.
We want to have a battle. What battle? A battle to see who has a bigger and better squad.
Of course, I have the best and the biggest squad, you silly goose. Do I look like a guest to you in any way here? Yeah, those feathers on the top of your head look so funny. Ha 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 ha.
How disrespectful. Okay, let's battle!
Are you a dinosaur yet? Subscribe to become one now.
Okay, dinosaur, so who has the bigger and better squad? You guys decide, but first, let's begin this battle.
Okay, so let's begin to see who has a better squad.
Okay, let's go with the biggest one first. We have the Super Colossal T-Rex. Super Colossal T-Rex, which is right over here. So, Indoraptor, do you think you have a... do you think you have an Indoraptor which is better than the Super Colossal T-Rex? The Super Colossal T-Rex is so big and so strong. Do you think you have a toy which is better than her?
She's too big, but I have a very cool figure to show you.
Okay, bring it on.
The Imaginax Indoraptor.
Okay, let's see how cool this is. Okay, can produce some noise and some sounds. But those roars are actually from Indominus Rex. You know that? That's so funny. You don't even have your own roars. You're using the roars of the Indominus Rex. That's so funny. Okay, I think Super Colossal T-Rex have the H over here. I'm not too sure about you guys, but I'm not too sure because I think the Super Colossal T-Rex might be better over here.
That's not true. Bring on the second one.
Okay, the second one, let's see. I'll take this to Bite and Fight T-Rex. I think this is a very cool figure that comes with two different actions. Really nice. Okay, let's place it over there. So what are you bringing on, Indoraptor?
Let me bring on the
Super Poseable Indoraptor. Okay, Super Poseable Indoraptor with no playability, but plenty of posability. Not too sure. This is kind of close. Super close.
I think I have the better figure right here.
Okay, with T-Rex, we gotta be fair. You can't always say that you have the better figure, okay? To be fair, okay? But we'll let the audience decide, shall we? Let me place this over here. What a beautiful collection right here. Alright, next up. Let's see.
Let me bring on the Funko Pop Indoraptor.
Oh, this is kind of cute. Really cute. Take a look at those eyes. I'm just gonna place it right over here. So what do you have, Rexy? What are you bringing on?
I also have my own Funko Pop T-Rex.
Oh, it's right here. Shall we just get it out from this box so that we can have a good comparison? Okay. Comes with a stand. So, Funko Pop T-Rex versus Funko Pop Indoraptor. This is fun. I don't think we have a clear winner because both are so cute. Let's take a look at the face. Oh my goodness, both of them are so adorable. Which one would you keep as your pet? I'll probably keep the T-Rex.
How dare you, Dan? How dare you be so biased towards me? I mean, against me.
I'm not biased. I mean, the T-Rex, it's definitely not as, aggressive and ferocious as you.
That's not true, Dan. I am fierce as well.
Alright, let's leave it to the audience. Okay, what's next? Okay, what about this cup topper right here? Okay, this is nice, very nice. Just gonna place it right over here. What about you, T-Rex? Oh, wow, let's do a comparison. I kind of prefer the T-Rex one because it has more, details and stuff. Not sure about you guys. You guys let me know, but we definitely have a huge collection. Okay, what's next?
How about the battle damaged Indoraptor?
Oh, this is so cool. Do you have a battle damage T-Rex? I'm not too sure, but this is definitely super cool. You can even see the internal body, which is so nice. Just gonna be placing it right over here. What about you, T-Rex?
I also have the battle damage T-Rex.
This one? Oh yes, this is also known as the battle damage or the extreme chomping T-Rex. But for this case, this is known as the battle damage T-Rex because it has some scars right here. But the problem is, this figure is not working well. I can't really press it. You have to press it really hard. I think the button is spoiled. It's damaged. So you have to keep pressing it to, make it smoother. Okay, seems to be working well now. Battle damage, but you don't have the dino damage wound. That's the problem. Okay, I think if you have the battle damage wound, this figure will be much better.
That's not true, Dan.
It's true. The battle damage figure should have a dino damage wound to be really caught the battle damage. Okay, so for the T-Rex, you don't have one, so I gotta say the battle damage, Indoraptor is the winner right here.
Good job, Dan. At least you're being fair.
Okay, what's next? How about the Green Legacy Collection T-Rex? I think this is a super cool. Same sculpt, but different paint job. What about you, Indoraptor? What do you have against this figure?
How about the 12-inch figure?
This one? Okay, the 12-inch figure, it's kind of cool. It's better than most of the 12-inch figures out there. But is it better than this? Your mouth can't even open. So how are you going to engage in a battle? You see this? T-Rex can put its entire mouth or jaw into your head. I don't think you are a match with this Green Legacy Collection T-Rex.
You got a point there, Dan.
Bring on the next one. Okay, how about Lego figures? Lego figures.
Lego figures? I have two of them.
Two of them? Okay, so it'll be this, the new one, and the old one. So I think we have a better selection in terms of the Lego figure for the T-Rex than the Indoraptor. But this Indoraptor is super cool. Yeah, it has new arms and new legs and even a new tail. Whereas the T-Rex is using the same body as let's see. It's using the same legs as the rest. So it's kind of disappointing, right? So I would say most people will go with the Indoraptor. What do you guys think? Yeah.
You saying my Lego figures aren't good enough?
They're cool, but the Indoraptor, it's a brand new sculpt. Yeah, you guys know that, right? Alright, let's bring on the next one.
Takara Tomy figure this time.
Takara Tomy, right over here. Yes, you have a beautiful Takara Tomy figure, but we have a beautiful T-Rex one as well. So let's pop this open. Okay, to be honest with you, I'm gonna be really honest right here. The T-Rex is the clear winner because the Indoraptor doesn't really look like an Indoraptor and is missing feathers.
Missing feathers, you silly goose.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just being honest right here. T-Rex is definitely the clear winner. So yes, Takara Tomy, there's no challenge about it. Okay, right now let's take a look at some minifigures. Alright, minifigures. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this one is from Takara Tomy. Yeah, minifigures 4. T-Rex with 1 right here. We have the green T-Rex. And we have the shiny T-Rex. I think in terms of the numbers, you can see the Indoraptor, it's definitely, you know, much stronger. But in terms of variety, let's see. The green T-Rex is green. What about you? I mean, Indoraptor, you're all in black. There's no other colors. And speaking of other colors for the Indoraptor, tomorrow I'll be reviewing Berserker Raptor. Can't wait to show you guys. Do you guys know the Berserker Raptor from Nammu Studio? Okay, this is from Takara Tomy, which it's pretty cool. It can hold paper. But take a look at this shiny T-Rex. It is so shiny. It is even glossier than the Indoraptor. So who's the winner? If you ask me, I would go with the T-Rex. Not again. Not again. Okay. What else do we have? We have this this young Indoraptor. I mean, young T-Rex. Oh my goodness! You actually call me an Indoraptor. Then that's an insult. That's an insult. Excuse me. What are you saying? An insult? I'm much stronger and I'm much intelligent than you, you silly T-Rex. Okay. With one more right here, I think you have no contest because all you have are just small figures in the Raptor. We have this anatomy kit. You can actually see the interior of this T-Rex. How cool is it? You can see the interior. Okay, what about you? I don't think you have a figure like this right in the Raptor. Just gonna try to place this right back. I don't have one. I don't need a silly figure like this. I don't need people to see the internal of my body. That's really silly. Okay, the final battle. Thrash N Throw T-Rex versus the Grab N Growl Indoraptor. Who is the winner? Okay, the Indoraptor comes with 2 functions. Stop pressing my button again. Okay, so the first one actually triggers the eye, can actually light up. And the other one, which is right here, stop making me do this. Okay, this is the grab function. The T-Rex has pretty cool functions as well. You can actually grab different objects. Check this out. You can just go down and just grab one of this figure and just swing it around. That's pretty cool. And it comes to this button below, and once you press it, it produces a stomping sound. So, oh my goodness, these 2 figures are super good. So which one is the winner? Wow, I think this is a tie. This is a tie between these 2 figures, Grab N Growl and Thrash N Throw. So if you guys want to buy one of this, I would definitely ask you to go with the one which you like most. Like more, I mean. But if you are a huge T-Rex fan, you might want to get a Thrash N Throw T-Rex. If you're an Indoraptor fan, just get the Indoraptor because, you know, these 2 figures are just really good. So, all in all, which dinosaur has a bigger and better squad? In terms of size, you can see they are the same, but who has a better squad? I'm not too sure. I leave it to you guys to decide, because I think They're both awesome. I'm super proud of the both collections, so I'm super proud of the two of you. So you guys, great job. You have to get back to your own shelf right now, okay? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up, share it, drop me a comment, and I'll try my best to reply to you as soon as possible. And if you're new here, my name is Dan. I upload dinosaur videos every single day, so make sure you subscribe if you like dinosaurs and Jurassic World. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video, because we will be reviewing Nanmu Studio Berserker Rex. Two of them, the white one and the black one. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get the figures. I'll probably make a vlog to show you guys, okay? I'm super excited. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Oh yes, don't forget to press the little bell icon right below to receive notifications whenever I upload a video, okay? My name is Dan, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Check out the previous video right here and all the other related videos, okay? Whew. What a video. Plenty of work.